Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start with essentials. Confirm your Blink account and that your home network is 4 GHz because the sync module needs it. Plug the sync module into power and watch for a steady blue LED. This indicates it's ready. Now open the Blink app, tap your system, choose Add Device, then select Sync Module. You're doing this to create the bridge between cloud and cameras, so once the app detects the module, you can proceed to join it to your Wi-Fi. Once the app finds your sync module, you'll choose the 4 GHz SSID and enter the network password. Accuracy matters, so double-check capitalization and special characters. The app may prompt you to confirm a device code. Tap to verify so the system links the right hardware. Then the sync module will attempt to join the network. During this time, keep it plugged in and close to the router to ensure a strong signal. You're establishing a stable connection. Finish by adding cameras to the newly connected sync module in the app, then test live view and motion clips to confirm operation. If the sync module fails to connect, power cycle the router and the module. Unplug each, wait 30 seconds, then plug back in, because IP conflicts or temporary Wi-Fi hiccups often resolve that way. If problems persist, move the module closer to the router, ensure 4 GHz is enabled, and disable guest network isolation so devices can.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.